Here are the updates to the automation creation process. When you create an automation, you now have the choice between creating a single journey or a recurring journey. So the single journey is the classic type of automation that you are used to. It can be used to automate a series of actions with a trigger, and you can use it for anything like welcome email automation, welcome series, an email course that is sent to your contact when they are tagged a certain way, or anything that is caused by a trigger that your contact goes through and then exits. The recurring journey is an automation that is a series of actions that is automated on a schedule. So this will be very useful for RSS automated emails. This can be set up so that it monitors your website for new content and then sends an email to your audience whenever a new post is detected. To set up the recurring automation that triggers a RSS automated email, you can select recurring journey and then go into templates. Here you can select this template, RSS feed monitoring and sending email. So it will create a recurring journey for you that has the required steps for the RSS campaigns to be sent automatically. First, you can decide your automation trigger. So you can select the frequency and the day that your email is sent. Then you have to specify how many new items you want to wait for before your campaign is sent. So here it is set up where every Monday your RSS feed is checked for a new item, and if there is one, your campaign will be sent to your audience. Here you can customize the campaign appearance and the layout, and in another video I will show you which blocks and which templates you can use for your RSS email specifically. So the last action, which is very important for your RSS automation to work correctly, is the store RSS items action. What it does is that it saves the latest RSS item featured in your campaign at the time of the execution of the automation and ensures that there are no repetitions in your next email.